Hi guys, today I would like to present you our innovative, multi-purpose, foldable working table. Please follow me till the end of the presentation because there is a huge surprise. Let's have a look. As you can see from the design, this innovative working table allows you to easily grind your tiles, stones or porcelain without damaging the table, and of course you can do the same with the drill, with the same concept, and above all we recommend to use the table with your snap cutter, any brand. And in this way you can work standing up, saving your back and your knees. The table is made of thick, top quality steel that grants you stability and resistance. The wood is waterproof and you can adjust the height of the table so you can work in different positions. We have three more advantages with this design. First, because the wood, the tile is not sliding while you are cutting or drilling. Second, because the wood again and the structure and the rubber wheels, you have way less vibrations. And third, because the rubber wheel, if you hear, the table is not noisy at all. Now, let's have a look at the surprise, the last exciting features, guys. As I told you at the beginning, this is a foldable working table, but it can be used also to transport your stuff or your tiles in this way. You lock it here. And you go. Also, this product is 100% made in Italy. See you guys.